Hey guys, today I have recreated a look from a Carla Bruni photo shoot. It's very striking, very bold, very Robert Palmer girl. So if you want to see how I created this look, stick around and let's do some makeup. To get started on recreating Carla's look for today, we're going to contour. I'm going to contour using Taupe with the angled, this is the Rebel Edge Broad brush. Switching to a Rebel Edge medium brush and blunt. Going back to the Rebel Edge Broad brush and Taupe. Setting brush and the MAC Studio Fix Pastel in Shivering White. Now she is really contoured and really highlighted matte bright white under here, and there's really no blending, so I'm skipping the bronzer today. Miracle Powder Sponge and MAC Translucent Setting Powder in Invisible. MAC Gesso with the Bold Metals Collection 200 eyeshadow brush. Same brush, and moving to She Sparkles. Deluxe Crease Brush and MAC Midnight Shine. Base shadow brush and back into the gesso. Instapop crease brush and a carbon. Defining crease brush. MAC Eye Kohl pencil in Smolder. Going back in with the Instapop crease brush and more carbon. MAC Dazzleshadow liquid in Love Yourself. Base shadow brush and MAC Vanilla Pigment. Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner. Now, she doesn't have a lot of lashes on, and because this shot is mostly looking down, which I'm going to try my best to recreate, I'm not going to do normal lashes. So I've done a really clean liner that gets a little bit thicker and goes more straight out to simulate lashes, because when you're looking down, if you have these big long lashes on, then they're just going to create all of this shadow and kind of cover up, I think, the intention of the photo. So I'm just going to be using little wispies, these little clusters that I actually normally use on my bottom lashes. Beep, boop, beep. So I'm just going to pop those onto my top lashes just to give me a little something. Let's start by curling the lashes. A coat of MAC's Extended Gigablack Lash Mascara. All right, Duo Lash Adhesive in dark. And I'm just going to start popping these guys on. CoverGirl LashBlast Volume Mascara in waterproof. A very gentle coat on the lashes. And I just say gentle because it's a larger wand, so it can get a little messy. But the larger wand has a benefit because the bristles are really small, so it's not going to put too much pull on the false lashes. Almost there. Let's sketch in some brows. Thank you. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. I think I might be done.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, good.
My husband just came and brought me a gin martini with Hendrick's gin, extra dirty, and it is so good and so needed. All right, back to brows. Powder brush to dust off the excess setting powder. So there's not a lot of blending that's going on with the contouring. I'm going to do another quick light application of the blunt with the medium Rebel Edge brush. To go on top of the blunt, I'm going to use Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm going in with this one is Frankly Scarlet, which is just a pretty punchy red color. And I'm not going to dust too much on the apple of the cheek because she's super, it's not like a curved motion with the contour. It's very straight down. So I'm just going to go on top of the blunt with the blush, and I'm not going to blend it up because I want to keep more of that sort of 80s like racing streak line. Okay, let's finish off with the lips, and I am going to be going in with Runway Rogue Sexy. Oh, so good. Lip blur brush. Lip brush and a little bit of Runway Rogue's lipstick in Stilettos. Last for the lips, Runway Rogue lip gloss in Runway Red. Now let's set everything with MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Setting Spray. Powder brush. Great. This is very like, sort of like new romance era. Bronski Beats, Pete Burns, Human League. I'm digging it. All right, face tapes. She is ready for some 80s Robert Palmer girl action. Whatever that means. Alright guys, this is the end. I hope you enjoyed this. If you can, please like and subscribe. That would really help me out. If you do subscribe, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Have some fun with your makeup. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys later. Bye.